So we remember that the perimeter is just the sum of all the sides of a polygon. And in this case, we just have a little problem because there's no number right here and there's no number right here. But these right angles will help us figure those out because we can think about this as a big giant rectangle with just a corner missing out of it. And the thing that's going to help us do is to figure out that this side of the big giant rectangle is the same length as this side of the big giant rectangle, and this distance here is the same as this distance here. And what's nice about this one is we can kind of tell what this is. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, so we know that this side length is 2. And we can use similar logic to figure out the length of this side. So when we're figuring out this guy, it's going to be helpful if we remember kind of what happened with these guys. Remember that this length was 5, and then over here the total length was 3 plus 2, 5. So if we remember that this whole width is 3 over 2x, and this whole width down here is also 3 over 2x, then we really don't need to put a name on how long this is. It would be 3 over 2x minus 4. But that would kind of make it a little bit harder, because if you think about what the perimeter is, it's this 5 plus the 3 plus the 2, so another 5, plus the 3 over 2x, plus this guy and this guy add up to another 3 over 2x. So we don't even really need to use this or this. We just need to know that these sides add up to 5 and these sides add up to 3 over 2x. Well, now we have problem of fractions when we're combining like terms. We have to remember how to add fractions. Well, let's see. 5 plus 5 is 10. And then 3 over 2x plus 3 over 2x. If you remember adding fractions, you have to have a common denominator, which we already have, and then you just add the numerators. So 3 plus 3 is 6. So we have 6 over 2x. And you can think about it as I got 3 halves plus 3 more halves gives me 6 halves. And 6 halves, or 6 divided by 2, is 3. So this perimeter is 6 over 2 is 3x, and the 10 is positive, so plus 10. So an expression for the perimeter of this figure is P equals 3x plus 10.